Imagine talking to an AI that understands not just your words, but your emotions too. Welcome to the world of GPT-4O. What is GPT-4O? Is OpenAI's flagship model, integrating audio, vision, and text for real-time, human-like interactions. It's designed to respond quickly and empathetically, making conversations feel incredibly natural. This powerhouse AI can handle audio inputs with low latency, making your interactions seamless. Whether it's text-to-speech, speech recognition, or vision tasks, GPT-4O does it all. Imagine using it for tutoring, coding assistance, or even real-time translations. One exciting application is its integration into the Be My Eyes app, assisting visually impaired individuals. GPT-4O is a significant leap forward in AI technology, potentially outshining traditional AI hardware devices. However, this raises concerns about over-reliance on AI in education and the emotional connections users might form, which could affect social interactions. As AI like GPT-4O advances, we might see them become an integral part of daily life, reshaping our interactions with technology. Companies like Google and Meta are also in the race, developing similar capabilities. The educational potential of AI is immense, offering personalized, always available tutoring. However, it's essential to be aware of AI's limitations, such as hallucinations or providing incorrect information. Over-reliance on AI might also reduce critical thinking and social interactions. Here's how to get started with GPT-4O. Access GPT-4O through the OpenAI website or apps like Be My Eyes. Use voice commands by saying, "Hey GPT," followed by your question. Prefer typing? Just type your questions into the chat window. Using GPT-4O for learning. Ask for help with school subjects or homework. For example, "Can you help me understand this math problem?" And GPT-4O will guide you step by step. Need a quick translation? Speak or type in your language, and GPT-4O will translate it almost instantly. You can also manage your schedule by asking it to set reminders. If your device has a camera, show objects to GPT-4O, and it will recognize and describe them. You can also customize its voice settings to make your interactions more personal. GPT-4O is an incredible tool that can enhance your learning, productivity, and daily tasks. Stay informed about its capabilities and limitations, and you'll get the most out of this cutting-edge technology. Don't miss out on the latest in AI technology. Subscribe to our channel and join our AI lifestyle newsletter to receive the latest, relevant, and useful AI news, tools, and technologies, along with exclusive member perks directly in your inbox. Click the link in bio or in the description or leave a comment AI in Heels to receive the link. Thanks for watching.